Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tesla Changed My Life. Guess what? Today is another day, another dividend. Okay, I just turned on my phone, wake up, turn on my phone, and bloop, bloop, got money. If you want to know how I do it, just check this video out. So guys, here we go. These are all my dividend for today. Let me see if I can show to you. Let me fix a little bit this camera right here. Well, so let's start with the NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I have them in two accounts. This is just one part, but I got another $1,000 in another account. But anyways, let's count just this one. $10 for my Roth IRA and $234. Again, I got another $1,000 in another account. Ulti got me, actually, maybe let me see if I can pull these things up a little bit more. Yeah, maybe you can see it much better, right? So NVIDIA, like I was saying, 234 plus $1,000 from another account plus $10. And this is all July 18, that is today. Ulti, I know, guys. I have people say you should change your channel now. With the Ulti changed my life, but Ulti is just like amazing, man. I mean, $103 on one account, 34 cents on another account. I just started, guys, but I will continue to reinvest in these, in all of them actually. But thinking about, man, I got the dividend yesterday on the 17th. Actually, you will see right here. So, anyways, on the 18th, I got to also YMAX. I just started this account, $1.07. It's a proof of concept, right? You know, this dollar in a little bit, in 2, 3, 4 months, will become $100 every Friday. CHPY. This is another great dividend that I receive. I think I have just 10 cent. I'm sorry, 10 share, and they give me $3.73. 10 share, $3.73. LFGY, my new love. I love this. I love this one too as well. I got $5 in my regular account, in my taxable account, 60 cents in my Rotary. We want to talk about the next one that I love. I start to love again. That I start to love, GPTY. I got 10 share on this one too. Guess what? $2.96. Guys, all these like $2, $1. This is just because of 10. As soon as I get money, as soon as I get more dividend, this will become 100. So you need to just put that, that dot instead of $1.07 will be $10, and after that it will be $100. So it just, I want to just let you know, this is how these things work. You continue to invest, but the king of this week, of course, is PLTY, 8,961. I have that also another account. I think it's another $1,000 another account, but anyways, 114 in my Rotary. Palantir 8,961. I smile and I laugh because I continue to get this message in my YouTube channel, in this YouTube channel, and people continue to tell me, dude, that is too good to be true. I mean, what you want me to do, man? I'm show you the number. I'm show you what I'm doing. You don't need to do it. Please don't do what I'm doing. I'm just like trying to put my experience in my multi-million dollar portfolio. I start from zero. From zero, now I'm 1.8, yeah, around like 1.8. And now it changed because I start to get also in crypto. I got a lots of, again, I don't have yet a full Bitcoins, but I'm on my way. I'm working on my way to have a full Bitcoins. But anyways, from 1 million, from zero to 1.8 million right now. PLTY, guys, I'm continuing to get dividend every single month, and of course, this one was substantial. Why BTC? This is another great one. Now, guys, I'm sorry. Let me finish you up with the Palantir. These are the money that I got on the 18. So as you can see, all these will be on the 18. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dividend, right? On the 17th, this is when I start to, this is still in the process of me starting. On the 17th, I got YBTC, YETH, MST, YBTC, and again, respectively, I got YBTC, I got $4.58. YETH, I got $3.85. These are all like 10 share, all of them. MST, $3.73. YBTC, I got 34 cents. Now this is on the 17, I got what? 1, 2, 3, 4 dividend. I get the money every single day, I'm telling you, man. And on the 16, guys, 34 cents with the COYY, COY, NVYY. So this is the coin dividend ETF, and NVYII. This is the Nvidia dividend. Again, both of them 10 share, 34 cents for one, 54 cents for another. Again, 10 share all of them, 34 cents with one, $1.54 for another. And I got them also. Actually, this was in the Roth IRA. The COI, the 34 cents was in the Roth IRA, but in the taxable account, I got $3.43. I got also NVYYII in the taxable is $1.54, and I got NV. Actually, no. Okay. So this was the 16, guys. So on the 16, like I say, money every single day, 3 dividend. Now the day before that, on July 15, I got more dividend, guys. The NVYY dividend, 15.1 cents. TSYY, $2.56. I don't know if you can see. Can you see it? Oh, you cannot see it. So I need to put right here. I'm sorry, let me go back one more time. COI dividend 34 cents. In NVYY $1.54. COI $3.43. And this was for the 16. So I got these 3 dividend, right? Now for the 15, guys, money every single day. I'm telling you. For the 15, I got NVYY TSYY. The NVYY, 51 cents, at TSYY, $2.56. NVYY, so as you can see, this is in my taxable, and this is my Roth. Let's see if I can change my beautiful face right here. Now on PLTN, I got this one too. On the 15, $2.93. So on the 15, I got just 1, 2, 3, 4. The day before, Magi MYGY. Let's see if I can put this one. And basically, this is the only thing that I have right now until now, I guess. Uh, no, I should get another one. See if I can move these. Yes, right here. The 14 I got to also BLOX. And again, this is the Roth. This is like the regular account. $1.47.15. GPTY 30 cents. YMAX 98 cents. Actually, this was the 11th. So I got just this 2-1, right? Actually, let's see if I can move my face still around there. Can we move this? Right here. So, like I was saying, AGY dividend 76 cents on the 14. On the 14, I got also 147, blocks 15. And on the 11, this is where really actually I just start. And 30 cents, 98 cents, no big deal on this one. Tesla, I got 150, $145. But my point that I want to try to make here, guys, It's not just for me to flex or for me to show you that I got this thing. I mean, my point is tell you that it's possible. You can do this. This is an experiment for me, of course. But, dude, I mean, it's happening. I mean, I'm doing this every single day. So I don't know how to say this, but yeah, I mean, monthly I still have a $35,000. This month until this so far, I including a new column that is in VD. I put it because I will start to invest in NVIDIA as well. 1,000 shares so far. I got until now. I paid for all these dividend $30,000. Right now, my total return is 25,000. Another $5,000, and I got my money back. That's at the value. I bought it for 30,000, like actually share. And actually share, if I want to sell now, right now, they are 16,000, almost 17,000. So this is the money that they pay me every single month from the beginning that I bought it until now. This is the value, the residual value of my asset, and this is the return of 2025. My point that I'm trying to tell you, true, the dividend didn't cover my expenses, but if I sell all of them today, I'm still up, guys. I'm 30, what is 41,000. So as you can see, you don't just get, this is the thing, guys. I want to just tell you this very simple. Okay, I buy Bitcoins, right? I buy XRP, I buy all these assets, I buy Tesla, I buy all these assets, right? But to get the money, it's like you buy a house. To get the money, you cannot just eat the brick. Let's say that you need to go to buy grocery, right? You don't just go to the house, you get a piece of drywall and bite the house. No, you need to transform that in money. So you need to sell all the house to get the money. Let's say that you make $100,000, right, in profit. Now you need to sell, you need to pay the agent, you need to pay all the tax, everything, right? This is why I love dividend, because I don't need to sell the asset. The asset still here is $16,000, right? My original money invest was $30,000. Now you can say, dude, but you put in 30, and if you sell it 16, which kind of investment is this? But this is the asset, guys. This is like this price can go up and down. This guy can go to $1. At this point, I don't care if I get all this money back. This is the money that I will get in perpetuity. I will get this money every single month for the rest of the time that I have this stock, or for the rest of the life of this account. Now, but if I sell the stocks today, all of them, I'm getting 17,000. Plus, I got until now 25,000. This is almost 41,000 in money in momentum that I create that will never stop until I sell it. But I want to sell it. Why I want to sell it, anyways? Oh, because now the money that I put in, the value, I can see my value go down. But they continue to pay me money every single month. I can buy, I don't need to sell the house. I don't need to grab a piece of the drywall from my house. I can, it's like rent. It's like, I don't know, it's like an asset that pay you everything. You don't need to sell the asset. This is one of the secret. We don't sell the asset. We create the asset that create money for us to buy our toys, to pay for our lifestyle in perpetuity. No, 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 you don't need to sell it, because if you sell, it's done. The game is over, finito. But guys, thank you so much for following me on this review of my portfolio again. And again, guys, we are making money every single day. Passive income. I don't even do that. Just like I tell you, man, just wake up, bloop, bloop, you see the money come in your account. Now, for all those of you guys that don't believe me, don't believe me. I don't care. I'm not here to sell you anything. But if you can subscribe, that would be helpful. But I don't care. Now, to the person that continue to tell me in my message, whatever, and send me this message, it's too good to be true. I mean, dude, this is the money. I mean, what you want me to do? You don't want me to tell you what I'm doing? But guys, thank you so much for following me. I will see you on the next one. And guess what? Saturday, Sunday, we don't make money. Maybe, I don't know, Bitcoins, I don't know. But I will get you an update on Monday to see how much money I will do again next week. And next week, By the way, guys, next week is the week of Connie, so it means that we are getting money. The big sugar daddy here, Connie, will pay us on Monday, on on next week. But guess that is just the weekly pay. We got now everyday paycheck. But guys, I love all of you guys. Thank you for subscribing, for all the to all the kindness that you send on my way. I love all of you guys. I wish you all the best and have a great weekend. I will try to make another video. If not, I will see you Monday. And for now, ciao.